Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. New iOS 16.2 profile is ready to download in your iPhone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download iOS 16.2 new profile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch the Safari browser and we have to search for these in Google. After that, we are going to use that link to get the iOS 16.2 latest profile. After tapping on this link, in the next page we will get this interface of the website and we are going to select iOS 16. Then we are going to use the blue button and then red. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow? Tap allow. Close. Minimize the Safari browser. Launch settings. Now tap install in top right corner. iPhone passcode required. Tap install. Install. And tap. If you want to restart, tap on restart. Otherwise, leave it as it is and tap not now. Now tap done. Now we are going to launch settings and general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS 16.2 profile. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful and you will all know how to get iOS 16.2 latest profile. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.